Alright, good luck everybody. Let's get this one going for this Koling. 12 spots. Let me get that list for you. There's your list. Good start time. Good luck everybody. $3.33. Just switched to $3.34. I'm about a minute off on my clock. 12 spots. Here's PayPal. Let me get this comment out of the way. Alright, there's PayPal right here with Clayton. And then it comes to Jose. 12 spots. There's you guys' list one more time. Good luck, everybody. Thanks again. Certificate is good. Get a couple refreshes. Thanks again, guys. Good luck. Number 1. $3.34. Just switched to $3.35. Clayton. Oh, Canada. I got a ship to Canada. Oh, yeah. Congrats, buddy. $3.35. $3.35. Thanks again, guys.